Two big moves happening in gun rights as we speak. Number one, Attorney General Pam Boni, remember pro-gun Attorney General Pam Boni? Yeah, the one who said, I'm a big fan of red flag laws. Just let law enforcement go ahead and pick them up first. Yeah, she's out of here. Trump administration fired her. Now, they claim to be pro-Second Amendment, but we're not seeing much coming out of there. Let's see what the next Attorney General will offer. But the bigger story is Pete Hegseth, which is the Secretary of War, just signed a memo allowing servicemen and women across agencies to carry on bases throughout the United States if that member makes the request. Now, this is going back all the way to 1992, where George H.W. Bush, remember that other pro-gun, codified the fact that our military servicemen and women could not carry on bases. Now, I have worked with thousands and thousands of honorably discharged DD-214s over the years in the firearms industry. And I've had mixed opinions on this topic, and I'd like to know what you guys are thinking. Here's the deal. Some of them, an element said, no, I don't think that the folks I'm brushing shoulders with on the base should be carrying. Others said, absolutely. Why wouldn't you be carrying a firearm for self-defense, concealed carry in the United States? So, with that being said, effective, as far as I know, immediately, the Department of War is now going to allow it should a person make that request. And if that person is denied the request, it needs to be written in paper on why they cannot carry that firearm. So again, these are two pretty big moves for the Second Amendment, one of which active immediately. The other, we shall see. Something tells me that the administration's new Attorney General just may not be as pro-2A as they claim to be. But we shall see, and let's hope for the best. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do appreciate you. Be sure you subscribe to the channel, and do me a favor, share it. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Stay safe.